What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel where you subscribe for daily updates on Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. We are going to be taking a look at the charts, macro, all the way down to the smaller time frame. I'm going to make this a really quick video just to get through and get it out there. I think we're going to have a big move by this weekend. We'll talk about that. Definitely stick around for the whole thing. And don't forget, we have a free Discord group in the description below the video. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing or trading in any market. Reminder, we are doing a Ledger Nano S giveaway on Sunday. All you have to do to enter to win is make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You tick the notification bell, hit that like button, and leave your comment down below. That will get you entered to win. I'll pick a random comment from a random video throughout the week on Sunday. Take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. We are at 46. We raised 7 points from yesterday, still in the fear zone. People getting a little more confidence in the market. It's always what happens. You know, you get a big move down and the bulls are really quiet, and then it pushes up 30% of that move and the bulls are all over screaming it's going to the moon again. Anyways, let's look. Macro, we are still making lower highs in the monthly. We also have this bearish divergence where we're making higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI. That is bearish. Like I said, unless we get a monthly close above this 10,960 range, I am going to remain bearish. Also looking at, these are the crazy, well, I don't want to say crazy because it's possible that these are the bullish targets. We had taken a look at this falling broadening wedge. The measured move off that is 16,000. If we look at the big thicker white trend lines as a symmetrical triangle, the measured move is 27. But I think we're going to have an ugly move here, guys, and I don't think it's going to be in the bulls' favor. I could be wrong. Make up your own mind. But let's take a look at weekly RSI. As you guys know, I am looking for a retest down to the bottom here before the real bull market starts. And just a little bit of warning, guys. I wanted to talk to you guys about this because everybody is watching these channels where they're so bullish and you think the bull run's just going to happen like this. I highly doubt that's going to happen for at least another year. So don't think you're going to miss out and it's going to shoot up in a couple weeks to $50,000 and crap. That's garbage. We are not in the position, and everybody talks about, I'm going to go on a little rant here today. Everybody talks about this mass adoption, and now the banks can hold custody of your crypto. Do me a favor, go to your local bank. I did this last week. Go to your local bank, ask them what they know about crypto, how they can hold your custody in crypto. 99% of them have no idea what the hell you're talking about. And I'm not a full bear on Bitcoin, guys. I am a bull in the long term, but all this hype about we got adoption. I still got people that been into crypto for years asking me how the hell to set up their wallet. That's not mass adoption like they're talking about. You know, I just put this stuff into reality, guys. People don't even know how to use it. The banks don't even know how to store it for you. Yeah, they may have permission now, but they don't even know what the hell is going on. Anyways, I just wanted to do that little rant. Yeah, just watch what you're listening to, guys. Be safe. Anyways, looking at this as a rising broadening wedge, we have a measured move up down to the 3,800. Of course, that doesn't have to happen. I just know there is a gap down here at 3,570. As of right now, we've broken down out of that. Obviously, we have another trend line here, and if we tag, it's going to be around the 99.50. If we break below that, guys, we'll look at the Fibonacci retracements to see where that could land here in a minute. I also want to take a look at the DXY. But anyways, I think we would most likely come down to this trend line here. And I'll show you why. It makes a lot of sense. Let's look at the RSI. We broke down out of this wedge and came back up to test for support and got rejected. Is there any divergence right there that we can see? Not at the moment. So let's if you guys are interested in trading, definitely check out Prime XBT. I will leave a tutorial up top. It is by far my favorite exchange. You can trade crypto, Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, whatever you want, all on this. And what I like about it is you can have longs and shorts in all at the same time. So if you're in a longer swing trade and you want to do scalp trades, you can still do that. A lot of exchanges, you can only trade one way or the other. This way you can do both. I also will be giving a $100 Prime XBT account away on Sunday along with the ledger. So there will be 2 different winners. But yeah, make sure you leave a comment. That will get you into that. And don't forget to use promo code Savy50, and that will get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus that you can use towards your margin. Savy25 will get you 25% off of your fees. Definitely check it out. I am still in my shorts that I showed you yesterday. I'm only up $50 as of right now, but I'm still going to remain short. I have my stops at 10,950, and yeah, that is where I'm at. My shorts where I filled was 10,772. I had one all the way down at 10.5 and then 10.655. So just so you guys know and are aware, this account was started with 1,000. As of right now, there's about 1,400 in it. So, all right, let's take a look at the DXY. So I had talked about this, and we talked about this last week. When we broke this level, we would get a, that would be the Bitcoin drop. As you can see, we did break out of that and got the drop. DXY looks really strong today. That makes me believe that Bitcoin is going to go down along with the markets. Traditional markets. I'm still looking for this target in DXY. Once it gets up into this range between 95 and 96, then I would be start to look for maybe where the bottom might be in Bitcoin. But we'll talk about that. I'll keep you updated. And one more thing I wanted to look at with you guys is this chart here. Everybody's saying that this only happened because of the breakout. True, but I was calling 5,300, which we went way lower than that over here. I still think we could see some very bad news very soon and continue on down from here. It could get ugly in the next couple weeks, guys, so be careful. A break of this high over here, the 11,200, then maybe we have a chance of not doing this dump. But I would have to see a break of 11,200 first. Anything below that, I am still 100% bearish. Look at the RSI. You can see what happened last time in that same area. The RSI did not even get to the oversold, which I hate when people call it that. But anyways, it didn't even get all the way down here. Pop back up, reset the RSI for a dump down. We've done the same thing right over here, guys, and I believe it will most likely resemble the same over here. So be careful, be cautious, don't get overly bullish, and don't get overly bearish. Make up your own mind. I've made mine up, obviously. If you guys want to help support the channel, this is inkyourimage.com. This is my wife's webpage. Check it out. She's got a lot of cool crypto stuff on here. You can put any crypto stuff you want, any saying you want, family pictures, whatever, on any of this stuff. Just hit her up in the contact. She'll help you out. And let's look at the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour, and I also have the Fibonacci retracements on here from the swing low down here to the swing high. Our first retracement is 0.236, which is at 10,445 area, 10,500, just say that. You know what? Let's go back over to this. Look at the RSIs here. This is the daily, and we are below the 55. That is our resistance right now. We're actually dropped below the 8 as of right now, and that is right around the 10,650. We would have to get back above this 55 at 10,800 to be bullish here. I think we may just see another red candle to go right along with this green candle from yesterday. Be cautious. All right. Looking at the 4 hour, we are getting rejected at the 200 EMA here. Let's get back into it. Sorry, guys, I got off on a little thing there. But looking at this rise as a rising wedge in white, the measured move of that is around 6,000. But as you can see, we have our Fibonacci retracements here. If we do break this 10.5 again and come on down, 9180 is our next stop, the 9200 range, and that's what I've been talking about. I know everybody's talking about 9,700 to fill that gap and then bounce from there. Usually what happens in those situations is everybody's going to try to long at 9,700, and there's going to be a long squeeze, and that is what's going to make the huge drop. That's my opinion. Anyways, 9,200 doesn't hold. Then we go down to 8,150, which is the 0.5 fib. And then, of course, 6,850 to 7,150 is a golden pocket zone. I would expect at least a bounce there. But if that doesn't hold, then our target of 6,000 would be next. And 0.786 Fibonacci retracement would be 56.75. And if that breaks, guys, we could be going down into that $3,000 range where there is a CME futures gap in the 8-hour at 35.70. I'm not saying it has to go down there. Just be aware that that's there. We will be watching all these areas for a bounce. Looking at it on the hourly. So I'm just going to make this quick and simple. On the hourly, we had this rising wedge that we broke out of here. Our target of that is 9,700. And as you guys know, that is the CME futures gap. So that is the next target. I'm going to get this target out of here since we already hit it. As you can see, these long lines going sideways. This is a Fibonacci extension tool. And I've went from all the way up here at the top to here at the bottom, back up to this top. And this down here is the target after the 9,700 at about 8,500, and that is a 1-to-1 extension. And that's only if this is a A, this was a B, and this would be the C. So that would be the area I'm looking for if the 97 breaks. Obviously first 92, but I'm thinking most likely, guys, we come down to at least this area. So be cautious, be careful. Let's look at Litecoin. Nothing's changed here either, guys, on Litecoin. If we go up above 50, then it's possible we could go bullish. But my target down here is still 38.62, and that's been the target since the break of this rising wedge. And all you do to get that target is, rising channel. All you do to get that target is measure the channel, come down to where it broke out, 38.62. And then if we look at this as a bear flag right here, and this had been the flag pull, bring it down to right there, $31 Litecoin. And as you can see, there's major divergence here, lower highs in the price action, higher highs in the RSI, hidden bearish divergence. It's looking ugly, guys. These are the targets for Ethereum. If you want to see how I got them, just look at yesterday's video or anyone for the last few weeks, because I've had these targets. 246 would be the next target down here, and then 200. A break of the 392, then you can go ahead and get bullish. But until then, I am bearish. And have a great day, guys. I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking your CryptoSavy logo by my head. Smash the likes. Leave your comments. That does get you entered to win the Ledger Nano S or the $100 Prime XBT account. Take it easy, guys. I'm out.